it's good to start this off on a nice negative note about the weather. This is an interesting podcast. No one else is doing it like I am. The weather. Yeah, we're talking about the weather, dude, on my podcast. Yeah. Next hot take, Trump bad. Yeah, you try to stop me, man. I'm a controversial comic, okay? So I was pouring gasoline on the ground, 'cause fuck it. Paid for it, though. Still paid for it. I walked into the gas station and said, hey, I handed him a crisp 20. And I said, yeah, 20 on number 5. I had no car. I walked to the gas station. And I pulled out the little nozzle and I poured it right on the ground. And I said, take that, libs. Take that, libs. Gas on the ground. It's my gas. I can do what I want with it. I paid my money. Come and take it. Come and take my gas. You know when they post a picture of a gun and they're like, come and take it. Come. Just a picture of a gun that says come. Guns are come to Southern people. It's the same thing. They get the same feeling. They get the same feeling they get when they come as they do when they shoot a gun. Or they just see a gun. It's the same feeling. They get that same euphoric kind of or orgasmic feel when they see a gun.